New York City, the Big Apple, a city that never sleeps, a place where dreams are born and legends are made, a concrete jungle where dreams are made of. The towering skyscrapers, the bustling streets, the vibrant energy that pulses through every corner. A melting pot of cultures, a symphony of human stories, a testament to ambition and resilience. Here, every face tells a story, every street has a history. From its humble beginnings as a Dutch trading post to its current status as a global metropolis, New York City has always been a place of constant evolution, a living, breathing organism that never sleeps. Its transformation over the centuries is nothing short of remarkable. Its streets whisper tales of immigrants who arrived with nothing but hope in their hearts and dreams in their eyes, seeking a new life and new opportunities. Ellis Island stands as a testament to their courage and determination, of artists who found inspiration in its chaotic beauty, turning the city's streets into canvases and its walls into galleries. The creative spirit of New York is palpable, a beacon for dreamers and creators, of visionaries who dared to reach for the sky, building monuments of steel and glass that touch the clouds. The Empire State Building, a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition, stands tall as a reminder of what is possible. But beyond the towering skyscrapers and the bustling avenues lies a city steeped in history, where every brick and stone has a story to tell. The Brooklyn Bridge, an engineering marvel, connects the past with the present. A place where the past and the present intertwine to create a tapestry as rich and diverse as its inhabitants. The juxtaposition of old and new architecture tells the story of a city that honors its history while embracing the future. So grab a street vendor hot dog, hail a yellow cab, and immerse yourself in the vibrant life of the city. Every bite, every ride is a piece of the New York experience. And join me as we embark on a journey through time and wonder, exploring the landmarks and hidden gems that make this city unique. From the iconic to the obscure, there's always something new to discover. A journey through the heart and soul of New York City. From the serene beauty of Central Park to the bustling energy of Times Square, let's uncover the essence of this incredible city together. Our story begins in the early 17th century, when Dutch traders established a small settlement on the southern tip of Manhattan Island. This settlement, initially a modest outpost, was strategically located to take advantage of the lucrative fur trade with Native American tribes. The Dutch, known for their seafaring prowess and mercantile acumen, saw immense potential in this new land. They called it New Amsterdam, a name that evokes images of windmills, canals, and a burgeoning trading hub. The settlement quickly grew, attracting settlers, traders, and adventurers from various parts of Europe. The Dutch influence was evident in the architecture, the layout of the streets, and the vibrant market scenes that characterized early New Amsterdam. However, the Dutch reign was short-lived. In 1664, the English seized control of the colony, renaming it New York in honor of the Duke of York. This transition was relatively peaceful, with the Dutch settlers largely remaining in place and continuing their lives under English rule. The change in governance brought new opportunities and challenges, as New York began to evolve into a melting pot of cultures and ideas. This marked a turning point in the city's history, setting the stage for its transformation into a major English port and a center of colonial power. The harbor bustled with activity as ships from around the world docked, bringing goods, people, and news from distant lands. The city's strategic location and deep water port made it an essential hub for trade and commerce in the New World. The American Revolution left an indelible mark on New York. It was here that George Washington took command of the Continental Army, and it was here that the British surrendered, marking the birth of a nation. The city's streets and buildings bore witness to pivotal moments in the struggle for independence, and its residents played crucial roles in the fight for freedom. Following the war, New York City emerged as the first capital of the newly formed United States, a testament to its growing importance on the national stage. The city became a symbol of the new nation's aspirations and potential, hosting the first sessions of Congress and the inauguration of George Washington as the first president. This period laid the foundation for New York's future as a global powerhouse, a city that would continue to shape the course of history. No exploration of New York City would be complete without paying homage to its architectural marvels, those iconic landmarks that grace countless postcards and inspire awe in visitors from around the globe. The Empire State Building, once the tallest structure in the world, stands as a testament to human ambition, a symbol of the city's unwavering spirit. Ascend to its observation deck for breathtaking panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. A short ferry ride from Lower Manhattan will transport you to Liberty Island, home to the Statue of Liberty, a beacon of hope and freedom for generations of immigrants. Gazing upon Lady Liberty's majestic form, one can't help but feel a surge of emotion, a profound sense of gratitude for the countless dreams realized on these shores. While New York City's iconic landmarks rightfully command attention, it's often in the city's hidden corners that one discovers its true character. Venture beyond the beaten path, and you'll find a treasure trove of unique experiences, each offering a different perspective on the city's soul. Escape the urban jungle for a while in the tranquil oasis of Central Park, a sprawling green expanse in the heart of Manhattan. Stroll through its winding paths, rent a rowboat on the lake, or simply relax on a park bench and soak up the serenity. For a taste of old New York, head to Greenwich Village, a historic neighborhood known for its bohemian spirit, charming brownstones, and vibrant art scene. Explore its independent bookstores, catch a live jazz performance, or simply wander its streets and soak up the unique atmosphere. Section 5. Navigating the City That Never Sleeps, a practical guide. Navigating the urban labyrinth of New York City can be daunting, even for seasoned travelers. But fear not, for with a little planning and insider knowledge, you'll be navigating the city like a true New Yorker in no time. The subway is your best bet for getting around Manhattan and the outer boroughs. It's affordable, efficient, and runs 24/7. Just be sure to grab a subway map and familiarize yourself with the different lines and their destinations. When it comes to accommodation, New York City offers a wide range of options to suit every budget and preference, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious 5-star hotels. If you're looking for a more authentic experience, consider staying in a boutique hotel or renting an apartment through Airbnb. Section 6. Culinary Delights, a taste of New York's diverse flavors. New York City is a culinary melting pot, a gastronomic paradise where you can sample flavors from every corner of the globe without ever leaving the 5 boroughs. The city's diverse population has brought with it a rich tapestry of culinary traditions, making it a haven for food lovers. Whether you're craving spicy Szechuan, authentic Italian, or hearty Middle Eastern fare, New York has it all. From Michelin-starred restaurants to street food vendors, the city offers something to tantalize every palate and budget. Fine dining establishments offer exquisite dishes crafted by world-renowned chefs, while food trucks and street vendors serve up quick, delicious bites that are perfect for those on the go. The variety is endless and the quality is consistently high. No trip to New York is complete without indulging in a slice of New York-style pizza, thin, crispy, and foldable, best enjoyed with a sprinkle of oregano and a dash of chili flakes. This iconic dish is a staple of the city's food culture, and each pizzeria offers its own unique twist on the classic recipe. For a truly local experience, head to one of the city's many pizzerias and order a slice to go. Whether you choose a hole-in-the-wall joint or a well-known establishment, you're sure to enjoy a slice that's bursting with flavor. The casual, grab-and-go nature of New York pizza makes it a favorite among both locals and tourists. For a taste of New York's Jewish heritage, head to Katz's Delicatessen in the Lower East Side and order their legendary pastrami on rye. This historic deli has been a cornerstone of the community since 1888, serving up hearty sandwiches that are as big on flavor as they are in size. This iconic deli has been serving up piled-high sandwiches for over a century, and their pastrami is truly in a league of its own. The tender, flavorful meat, combined with the perfect rye bread, creates a sandwich experience that is both satisfying and unforgettable. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a lifelong New Yorker, a trip to Katz's is a must. Section 7. The city's rhythms, music, art, and entertainment. New York City pulsates with a creative energy that's palpable, a city where artists, musicians, and performers from around the world come to hone their craft and share their talents with the world. For a night of unforgettable theater, Broadway is a must. From classic musicals to cutting-edge plays, there's a show for every taste and preference. Be sure to book your tickets in advance, as popular shows tend to sell out quickly. If jazz is more your style, head to Greenwich Village, where you'll find some of the city's most legendary jazz clubs. Settle in for an evening of soulful melodies, improvisational riffs, and cocktails that flow as freely as the music. Section 8. Fun facts about the capital of the world. New York City is a city of endless fascination, a place where surprises lurk around every corner. Here are a few intriguing facts to pique your curiosity. Did you know that New York City has more museums than any other city in the world? From the iconic Metropolitan Museum of Art to the quirky Museum of Ice Cream, there's a museum for every interest imaginable. Another fun fact: New York City is home to the world's first pizzeria, Lombardi's, which opened its doors in 1905 in Little Italy. So next time you're enjoying a slice, raise a toast to the city that made pizza a global phenomenon. Section 9, New York City, an everlasting invitation. New York City, a city that never sleeps, a city that never ceases to amaze, a city that will stay with you long after you've left its bustling streets behind. It's a city of endless possibilities, where dreams are made and broken, where fortunes are won and lost, where the only constant is change itself. So come, wander its streets, savor its flavors, lose yourself in its rhythms, and discover the magic that unfolds when you open your heart to the city that never sleeps. New York City awaits, ready to welcome you with open arms.